Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are having 9 exponent 5 minus 9, and we are to simplify this without using a calculator. This is the restriction. We are not going to use a calculator. So please, if you have another method, you can share it under the comment section. We'll be grateful for that. So with this, consider this 9 exponent 5. Can rewrite it as 9 exponent 4 plus 1, okay, minus 9. Okay, and don't forget, in algebra, we have a exponent m plus n. You can rewrite it as a exponent m multiplied by a exponent n. Okay, so we are going to apply it here. So this one I'm going to get 9 exponent 4 multiplied by 9 exponent 1 and it's 9. Okay, now we have common terms here, which is 9 exponent 1. So we can factorize 9 exponent 1 out, and then to this side to be 9 exponent 4 minus 1, like this. Okay, so continuous simplification, we are going to get 9 exponent 1, which is the same as 9, and this 9 exponent 4, we can rewrite it as 9 exponent 2 plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 9 into bracket. This one we are going to get 9 squared multiplied by 9 squared minus 1. Okay, and don't forget, because we are not using a calculator, that's why we are simplifying things out here so that it will be easy for us to multiply. So 9 into bracket, 9 squared is 81, which is common for us. Then multiply by 9 squared again, which is 81 minus 1. Okay, and then this 81 times 81, we can write it as 9 bracket. This 81 multiplied by this one, we have to make it in a way that we can easily multiply by this 81. So we're going to get it 80 plus 1, like this, minus 1. Okay, now our expression now becomes 81 times 80 plus 81 times 1 minus 1. Okay, into bracket. 0 times this 0. Now 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So it says 4 6 like this. And then plus 81 times 1 is 81 minus 1. So we are going to get now 81 minus 1 is 80. So we are going to get 6480 plus 8. Okay, now let us try to add the bracket first. 0 plus 0, we are getting 0. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6, remainder of 1. So now 4 plus 1, which is 5. Then our 6. So what is left for us to do is we are supposed to multiply this 9 by 6,560. Okay, so let's continue. 0 times 9, we are getting 0. And 0 times 9, we are getting 0. 6 times 9 is 54. So 54, 4, remainder 5. Okay, And then 5 times 9, we are getting 45. Okay, plus 5, which is 50. So 0, remainder of 5. 6 times 9 again is 54. And 54 plus 5, we are getting 59. So 5, like this. So in this case, our final answer for 9 exponent 5 minus 9 is equal to 59040. So this is our answer for this expression. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky questions together. Bye bye.